Oogyy, the complete education management platform. Do your students have trouble visualizing complex concepts and principles? Catch and retain your class's attention and keep students motivated with Oogyy's advanced hybrid whiteboard. Drag and drop 3D images, zoom, mark, and scribble to explain concepts. Grip your class with immersive learning, combine in-class and online students with Oogyy's advanced whiteboard. No more worrying about dusting the board before students take the notes. Let your students save the class notes as PDF docs. Oogyy's hybrid whiteboard is a powerful tool for teachers to bridge the perception gaps of students. Experience the hands-on teaching. Don't break a sweat while explaining complex concepts. Help your students visualize better with Oogyy.